Hello everyone, myself KARTHIK. Karthik. So me and my team Bhargavi and Sampath made a project on recipe generator using AI. In this project we have done TK Enter and KOHARI AI tools. Uh, it will generate it will generate a recipe based on the items or ingredients which I have given. So here we have meal types. In meal types we can add like lunch or tiffin, breakfast, etc. And in cosine types we will give the nationality of the food like Australian food or Indian food, etc. And time taken, we can give the required time. If we need the item in 30 minutes, we can give it in 30 minutes like that. And the ingredients which we have in our home, just we will list out here and it will generate the recipe. So here, let's take a lunch. One is Indian, and the food in 20 minutes. Ingredients or I have like assume I have chicken, potato, and I have spices also. So there is no required to give spices further. And if you want to, we can give. So as you seen here, it has given chicken tikka masala with chicken. Uh, so this is how the code works. It has given ingredients and so to make to cook the curry, and that's it. Here using coherent the key we have using coher key, uh, which uh, the input which we have given in the TK enter like in this user interface that will be uh, read in the coher AI. The output is presented by that, and that's it. Thank you.